Believe in yourself. In a small town nestled by the mountains, there lived two sisters, Richa and Neha. Richa, the elder sister, was quiet and studious. She loved reading books and spent most of her time in the library. Neha, on the other hand, was energetic and outgoing. She loved sports and spent her days playing basketball with her friends. Despite their differences, the sisters were very close. They supported each other in everything they did. However, both faced challenges that tested their confidence and belief in themselves. One sunny morning, Richa sat in her room, surrounded by books. She was preparing for a big science competition. Richa had always excelled in science, but this competition was different. The best students from all over the state would participate, and the pressure was immense. Neha, Richa called out, I'm so nervous about this competition. What if I fail? Neha walked into the room, her basketball under her arm. Richa, you are the smartest person I know. You've worked so hard for this. You just need to believe in yourself. Richa sighed. It's easier said than done. Neha put her arm around her sister. Remember when I was nervous about the basketball finals? You told me to believe in myself and give my best. You can do the same. I'll be there cheering for you. Richa smiled. Thanks, Neha. I'll try my best. The day of the competition arrived. Richa stood on the stage, her heart pounding. She looked at the audience and saw Neha smiling and waving at her. Taking a deep breath, Richa began her presentation. Despite her initial nervousness, she spoke clearly and confidently. By the end of the competition, Richa felt a wave of relief and pride. The results were announced, and Richa had won first place. She couldn't believe it. Neha ran up to her, hugging her tightly. I knew you could do it, Richa. Thank you for believing in me, Richa said, tears of joy in her eyes. While Richa had found her confidence, Neha faced her own challenge. She had always dreamed of becoming a professional basketball player. One day, she received news that there would be tryouts for the state basketball team. This was a huge opportunity, but Neha felt a pang of doubt. What if I'm not good enough? Neha wondered aloud. Richa, now brimming with confidence from her own success, knew exactly what to say. Neha, you have always been an amazing player. You practice every day, and you have a natural talent. Just believe in yourself and give it your all. Neha nodded, feeling a bit more assured. The day of the tryouts arrived, and Neha played with all her heart. She ran, jumped, and shot the ball with precision. The coaches were impressed, but Neha still felt unsure. After the tryouts, the coach called out the names of those who made the team. Neha's heart raced as she waited. Finally, her name was called. She had made the team. She looked over at Richa, who was clapping and cheering loudly. I did it, Richa! Neha shouted, running over to her sister. I knew you could, Neha. You just needed to believe in yourself, Richa said, hugging her sister. As the months passed, both Richa and Neha continued to support each other. Richa's confidence grew with each academic success, and Neha thrived on the basketball court. They faced many challenges, but they always remembered to believe in themselves and each other. One day, their parents gathered them for a family meeting. "We have some exciting news," their father announced. "Your mother and I have decided to open a small bakery in town. It's something we've always dreamed of, and we want you both to be a part of it." Richa and Neha were thrilled. They loved baking with their mother and had always enjoyed spending time in the kitchen. The family worked hard to prepare for the opening of the bakery. They painted the walls, set up shelves, and perfected their recipes. On the day of the grand opening, the bakery was filled with friends and neighbors. Richa and Neha worked behind the counter, serving customers with smiles. The bakery quickly became popular, known for its delicious treats and warm atmosphere. One evening, as the sisters were closing up the shop, Richa turned to Neha. "You know, opening this bakery has been one of the best experiences of my life. I'm so glad we did this together." Neha nodded. "Me too, Richa. We've come a long way. Remember when we both had our doubts and fears?" Richa smiled. "Yes, but we believed in ourselves and each other. That's what made all the difference." Years went by, and the bakery continued to thrive. Richa and Neha's bond grew stronger with each passing day. They faced many more challenges, but they always tackled them together with unwavering belief in their abilities. The sisters became role models in their community, inspiring others with their story. They often spoke at local schools, sharing their journey and encouraging young students to believe in themselves. One day, a young girl named Asha approached them after one of their talks. "Richa, Neha, your story really inspired me. I want to be a writer, but sometimes I feel like I'm not good enough." Neha bent down to look Asha in the eyes. "Asha, if you have a dream, you must believe in yourself. You have the power to achieve anything you set your mind to." Richa added, "And remember, it's okay to have doubts sometimes. Just keep pushing forward and never give up on your dreams." Asha smiled, feeling a newfound sense of confidence. "Thank you, I will." As Richa and Neha walked home that evening, they reflected on their journey. They had faced many obstacles, but their belief in themselves and each other had carried them through. They knew that no matter what challenges lay ahead, they would always support each other and continue to inspire those around them. And so, in that small town by the mountains, the story of Richa and Neha became a beacon of hope and inspiration. They had proven that with belief, determination, and the support of loved ones, anything is possible.